Hello student, my name is Padve Deepmala Arun, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srirampur, District Ahmednagar. In this lecture, we will also discussing in the chapter number, and it's chapter number 8, Elements of Group First and Second, 11 Science, Chemistry subject, the elements of group first and second. Elements of group first and second means S blocks of element. This is the S blocks of elements. What is meant by S blocks of element? Means the last electrons are enters into the last subshell. Means the last electrons are enters the NS subshell. This is the NS subshell. In this NS subshell, the last electrons are enter in that subshell, and that's why these elements are belong to the S blocks of elements. We know that the periodic table, we also seen the last lecture, the periodic table is, here is a left hand side, then middle part and right hand side. This is also periodic table, and last one here is also table. In that table, here is a S blocks of element. We also discussing in the last lecture. Then here is a D blocks of element, and this is the P blocks of element. P blocks of element. In that blocks of element means S blocks of element. These S blocks element, the whole chapter is these groups first and second. Now in that S blocks of element, here is a group first and group second. Those two groups we will study in that particular chapter. Now we will study the group first, second elements names and its symbol and its atomic number and electronic configuration. We will study in this lecture. Now this is the group first. We know that the group first here is group first and its name and symbol. Here is a S block and in which the group first. Now this group first in which here is a name of element, its atomic number and symbol. Now the first element of group first is a hydrogen. First element of that S blocks and group first element is a hydrogen. Okay, first element is a hydrogen and its atomic number is 1. Hydrogen and its atomic number is 1. Now the second element is a lithium. Its symbol is a Li and its name is a lithium. And its atomic number is 3. Now hydrogen, lithium. The next element is sodium. Its symbol is a capital N, small a, and its name is a sodium. And its atomic number of the sodium is 11. Now next element in that group first is a potassium. Here is a K, is a symbol, and its name is a potassium. And its atomic number of the potassium is 19. Now in that group first, its element is a next element is a rubidium. and its atomic number is a 37. The next element is a rubidium, and its symbol of rubidium is Rb. Rubidium, and its atomic number of the rubidium is 37. Now in that group first, the next element is a cesium, and its symbol is a capital C and small s, and its name is a cesium. Cesium, and its atomic number of the cesium is 55. Its atomic number is 55. Then next and last element in that group first is francium, and its symbols of the francium is capital F, small r, and its name is a francium. Francium, and its atomic number of the francium is 87. Here is atomic number of the francium is 87. Now all of these 7 elements are present in that group first, and it's a S blocks of element. In that element is a first element is hydrogen, its symbol is a H, and its atomic number is a 1. Now second element is a lithium, its symbol is a Li, and its atomic number is a 3. Now next sodium, its symbol is a capital Na, and its atomic number is a 11. Next element is a potassium, its symbol is capital K, and atomic number of the potassium is 19. Then rubidium, its symbol is a capital R and B, and its atomic number is 37. Now cesium, it's a capital S and capital C and small s, it's a cesium, and its atomic number of the cesium is 55. Then last element in that group first is francium, and its symbol of francium is Fr, and its atomic number of the francium is 87. Means all of these 7 elements are present in that group first. In that element, its name is a alkali earth metal or alkali metal. It's also named as a alkali metal. All of these elements are found abundantly in earth, but franciums is rarely found, and these are the radioactive element and half-life of period. Means last elements of the francium is a radioactive element. All of these sodium or potassium, all of these elements are abundantly found in earth. Now the next group is, its a group second, and its name is a alkaline earth metal. The second group is, now it's a group second, and in that group second, here is first table is it's a symbol, then its name and atomic number. Here is a symbol, name of the element, and atomic number. Now the first element in that group second is beryllium. The first element in that group second is a beryllium, and its symbol is a capital B and small e. Its name is a beryllium. Beryllium. And atomic number of the beryllium, we know that it's a 4. Atomic number of the beryllium is 4. Now next element in that group is magnesium, and its symbol is capital M and small g. Its name is a magnesium. And it's a magnesium, and magnesium atomic number of the magnesium is 12. Now the next element of in that group is calcium, and atomic number of the calcium, we know that its atomic number is 20. Then next element is a strontium. The next element is a strontium, and its symbol is a capital S and small t, and its name is a strontium. And atomic number of the strontium is 38. Its atomic number of the strontium is 38. Now the next element is a barium, capital BA. Its name is a barium, and its atomic number of the barium is 56. Atomic number of the barium is 56. And last element in that group is radium. It's a capital R and small a. Its name is a radium. And the radium, its atomic number is 88. Radium, its atomic number of the radium is 88. All of these 6 elements are present in that group second, and in that element its name is a alkaline earth metal. Why it's called as a alkaline earth metal? They are also called as a alkaline earth metal because they are occurs in a minerals in a rocks. They are occurs in a minerals in a rocks. All of these elements are easily available and found in earth, but radium is not easily found in earth because they are a radioactive element. Means radium is a radioactive element, and radium is discovered by the scientist name is a Madame Curie. We know that its name is, we also seen or hearing any other thing, it's a Madame Curie. She was discovered, it's a radioactive element, and its name is a radium, and its atomic number of the radium is 88. All of these elements are a group second. The first element is beryllium, and its atomic number of the beryllium is a 4. Then second element is a magnesium, and its atomic number of the magnesium is a 12. Then third element of group second is calcium. Its symbol is Ca, and its atomic number of the calcium is 20. Then next element is a St, means strontium, capital S and small t, strontium. Its atomic number is 38. Strontium, its atomic number is 38. Now next element is a barium, and its atomic number is 56, and its symbol is a capital B and small a. And last element in that group first is radium, and its atomic number is 88, and its symbol is a capital R and A. In that, this is the S blocks of element. Why it's called as a S blocks of element? Because the last elements are enters in that outer subshell, and it's called as a S blocks of element. It's a general electronic configurations of group first is, the general electronic configurations of group first is, here is a NS1, the general outer electronic configuration of group first is NS1, and the general electronic configurations of group second is NS2. This is the general electronic configuration. Now in this chapter we also studied the electronic configuration, chemical properties and physical properties. All of these topics are available in that chapter. Now this is the first group first and seconds are completed. The next chapter, next lecture we will discuss in a next topic. Thank you.